Right then, part 8 is here, and I have a tyre. Let's get this open. Oh, we've got more plastic in there. Oh well. I won't film getting that bit off. I have an inner tube as well. So, first job of today is to fit the tyre with the inner tube, obviously. And then we're going to go for a blast on the Honda C70. Yes, I have just taxed the bike and insured the bike. First time it's been taxed since 1984, it told me on the website. So yeah, let's get going, let's do it. Right, that's all done and cleaned at the same time, which I didn't film cleaning it, but you can see it's a lot cleaner. Put oil all over it. I've used wire wool on the rim. I soda blasted the hub, and then I put oil all over it. So it's looking the best it can look for a rusty old wheel, really. Ideally, one day I might re-rim it and stainless spokes, but yeah, we'll see. For now, that's fine. Them spokes are strong, and that'll put a bit more life in them. The oil will preserve them. And put new rim tape on as well. This is just insulation tape wrapped round and round and round and round and round. It's brand new inner tube, brand new tyre. So should be able to get your knee down on this. Absolutely no problems with these new tyres. Oh yeah. That's it, all pretty much greased up and fitted. Correct air pressure front and back, brand new tyres, so yeah, ready to ride. So yeah, I might rig up a bit of a selfie stick on the front, I'm thinking. Then I can talk to you lot at home while I'm riding. But will it actually work? Get the insulation tape out. Right, I actually found some yellow tape. Yellow insulation tape, can we do this? That's about as sticky as a piece of sandpaper, that would be useless. We'll have to do it in black tape. Black tape. It'll look a mess, but we're not bothered. Well, will it actually work? Seems to work. There you go. Look at that, eh? But I don't want to lose my camera. Yeah. Well, I'm going to tape it on. We'll have a little go with it. Might not go too far. Really don't want it flying off. Right then, first time out on the bike. First gear. My mum is filming on the front as well. Whoa! Hi, Mum. Hi, Jeff. Yay! Oh, this is amazing. Right, ready? So I'm slowing down there. In neutral. I'm in neutral. I'm in neutral. Still I've got the hang of these gears. I think that's third. Woo! Can't see anything. I've through my mirrors. I just tried them. Trying to set my mirrors. Yeah, I can see behind me in the mirrors, and I can see you at home. No, I can't. You can see me. Seems to be reliable. It's bloody good fun to ride, I tell you now. Left hander. Woo! Yeah! I'm gonna go to the pub, see if anyone's at the pub. I didn't check if it's on or reserve actually. Let's check that was when I pull over. Put it on. Well, he's on reserve, it comes out, and that's it, going nowhere. Try a second. Oh my god, it's riding like it did in the 70s. That's first. That's neutral. Woohoo! Back into first. Bloody cars everywhere, which they bugger off. You can't see them at home, but there's cars everywhere. I hate cars on your motorbike. Again, bloody hell, beautiful again. Might want to make a adjustment of the gear change. That's no big deal, it is working. Oh, I'm absolutely loving this. You know, you could actually ride this in Scotland on A roads. I spoke about it at the beginning, everyone's like, yeah, right, okay. I've never been to Glencoe, you know, and I would love to ride it there, even if it takes me about 3 days. It'd just be so much fun to take a tent and that. You never know, I might do it, yeah. Still might as well. But is it going to be reliable enough to get to Scotland? That's the thing. Everyone's probably looking at me thinking, why is he talking to himself? Bloody madman. Bloody madman. Woo! Yay! Right, doing 39 miles an hour back according to that. It's flat out. I don't really do 50, might do downhill. Woohoo! Thank you. Absolutely nobody here. Thought someone might sat out at the front having a pint. Here's cobbles. Horn's not very good. Oh, he's not in. Oh, just show it off. Nobody here. Then, well, my friend was in, but his van wasn't here, and I just thought he wasn't in, so I didn't call on, but he is actually in. But he's a bit camera shy, he doesn't want to be on, but I just thought I'd just do a quick bit of filming, because he's got this Mini here, and this Mini is actually 2 years older than Honda. So, look at that. What a pair, eh? Flipping lovely. Lovely little Mini here. Look at colours on them. It's like an old mustardy brown sort of colour. Look at it in there, eh? So this one's must be a 73 or a 74, and obviously mine's a 75. Yeah. So there's a nice bit of English heritage for you, or British heritage. I think it's a Leyland Mini. I don't think it's a Morris. They did two different Minis. They did a Morris Mini and they did a Leyland Mini. Two different production lines. So yeah. How about that then? Bloody lovely. Thank you, Phaser. See if it starts.
Oh
yeah. First gear. Right, see you later, yeah?
Right, see you later, dude.
Just pulled up at this lovely little spot here in Lim, and the bike is running absolutely perfect. So yeah, I think it's just finished. Nice reliable little Honda like they were in the 70s and still is today. So yeah, pretty pleased with that really. Yeah, what a lovely bike, eh? Look at that. Bloody lovely. I'm so pleased with it. So I hope you enjoyed these 8 parts. Hope you've watched all 8. Hope you didn't get too bored doing the mechanicking bit, you know. But yeah, that's the main thing, that you've enjoyed it at home. And I've not finished yet. There will be a part 9. There'll be more riding. There's a transport show in a few weeks. There's going to be traction engines. All this car park here will be full of traction engines in a few weeks. So I'm going to be on this, and I'll film that as well. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Good night.